Presenting a pre-owned 2010 Mercedes-Benz. This 4-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Mercedes-Benz has less than 150,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, roof rails, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger. Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.